Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about SurveyMonkey, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a SurveyMonkey account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a SurveyMonkey account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to poll your viewers to figure out what types of products or services they like to buy, or maybe where you can improve on your service. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the SurveyMonkey website. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already opened up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a SurveyMonkey account, you can go ahead and enter in your email address here, or you can click on sign up free. Okay, once you do that, SurveyMonkey does ask you to enter in your email address, or you can sign up with your Microsoft, Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, or Apple. For me, I'd rather use my email, so I'm going to go ahead and enter that in here and then click on next. Okay, once you do that, you need to enter in a password and then confirm your password once again. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, I created a password and confirmed it. I'm going to click on create account. Okay, next, SurveyMonkey is going to ask you a few questions about how you're going to use your SurveyMonkey account. So you can go ahead and answer these, or you can do what I do and just skip up here on the top right. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my dashboard in SurveyMonkey. So as you can see, we can start building out a survey right away from scratch. We can use their templates, or we can use AI. If you decide that you want to upgrade to a paid plan, they let you know the pricing right up here on the top left, plans and pricing. Okay, so here they let you know the differences in the pricing. So you can do team plans, individual plans, or enterprise. And then basically the differences between these plans are the amount of responses that you're going to get per year. So for example, $39 per month gets you up to 15,000 responses each year. However, if you do the $300 annually, it's only 2,500 responses each year. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a SurveyMonkey account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.